side effects?
Question on the allergies.
There's got to be some reasons why they're not recommending it for pregnant people.
What do you want to know before you get vaccinated for COVID-19? We took viewers' questions to 2 different public health experts.
There's a lot of sort of myths put out there about the dangers of vaccination.
It is effective with relatively low short-term side effects.
It has everyone talking. A COVID-19 vaccine coming to BC and being used in a matter of days. But it also comes with a lot of questions, like
They're not recommending it for pregnant people, and I'm just wondering, like, how they're planning to test that further.
It's always a tricky thing when you start human trials that who you include in that and making sure that we've got a broad representation of the public. And that certainly as trials continue, and they still will, then we will get more data on what's safe for pregnant women and children.
I'm allergic to wasp stings, so I'm not sure whether I'm 81, so I'll qualify for the Pfizer. But I'm not sure whether I'll be able to take it.
There have been, I believe, 2 cases of anaphylactic reactions with the vaccine, and Pfizer has suggested for people who've had past history of a true anaphylactic reaction not to have the vaccine for now.
But there are others coming online. So again, his best bet is to talk with his healthcare professional, GP or a nurse.
What about people with asthma? Should they be concerned about the vaccine?
Asthma should be okay, but obviously there will be sort of lists of contraindications that come with these vaccines, just like any drug, and it'll be important to look at those with each batch of vaccines that comes out.
How do you decide which one to take, whether it's the early ones or whether it's the ones coming out later, and why?
A lot of it's going to depend about what becomes available and approved, and as soon as that is, obviously which are most cost effective to transfer and administer to people.
Lastly, with Health Canada having given Pfizer's drug the green light, how does that specific vaccine work?
You're not actually getting the virus, you're just getting actually a piece of messenger RNA that will cause you to develop this protein, so your immune system will recognize it.
Nearly 4,000 high-risk British Columbians are expected to receive the vaccine starting next week. A slow, priority-based rollout will then continue, lasting until at least late spring. In New Westminster, Ashley Burr, City News.